In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal tasks in 2025. We'll walk through a step-by-step tutorial to help you leverage this platform for organizing and managing your daily activities efficiently. To start utilizing Monday.com for your personal tasks, you'll first want to create a new board. On the dashboard, locate the plus add button and select New Board. When naming your board, choose something that resonates with your personal needs, such as My Tasks or Personal Planner. This will help you easily identify it among other boards you might create in the future. For a simple and straightforward start, go for the table view option. This view is particularly user-friendly and will give a clear overview of your tasks. Now that you have your board set up, let's talk about organizing your tasks. You can use columns to categorize your work efficiently. Begin by entering the tasks you need to complete in the task name or item column. Next, add a date column where you can specify deadlines for each task. Keeping track of when things are due is crucial to staying on top of your priorities. Adding a status column is also helpful. Here, you can track the progress of each task by indicating whether it's to do, in progress, or done. Additionally, a priority column will allow you to assign a level of urgency, high, medium, or low, so you can focus on what's most important. If you often need to jot down additional details, consider adding an optional notes column. This space can be used to elaborate on specific tasks or include information that might be needed later. For practical application, think of some examples like paying bills, going grocery shopping, having a gym workout, or devoting time to study. Assign appropriate deadlines and priorities to each of these activities to ensure you stay organized and aligned with your goals. Monday.com offers several views to manage how you see and interact with your tasks. The calendar view allows you to visualize your tasks by day or week, providing a comprehensive look at what's ahead for you. Alternatively, the Kanban view gives you the flexibility to drag tasks between different stages of progress like to do, doing, and done. If you're managing more extensive projects such as planning a trip, embarking on home renovations, or creating a study plan, then the timeline view might be ideal. This view helps in outlining and breaking down bigger projects into manageable parts. Lastly, take advantage of automation to streamline your task management. For instance, you can set up an alert system that notifies you when a due date arrives to ensure you never miss a deadline. This simple setup can drastically improve your productivity and keep you accountable. By implementing these steps, Monday.com can become an indispensable tool in organizing your personal tasks effectively.